Hi class, let's take a look at this example. And this example is not on the proper form. Let me explain. So technically you would have, this is an x, and you technically have a tangent squared of x dx. And what I mean is not on the proper form is because of the following. You technically have two tangents, so it's probably best to express it as a tangent square. And then furthermore, if we were to apply the u and the dv, technically we want the identity because the derivative of tangent is secant squared. And what we're given is a tangent squared. So it's probably best on this one to use the identities that we talked about in technically in trig, and rewrite that tangent squared. So the identity that we could use here is the value of tangent squared. Whoops, I wrote tangent inverse. So tangent squared of x is equal to a secant square. So secant squared of x, technically minus 1. And this may actually help with the evaluation of the v and the dv. So in this case, actually, you're going to have the values of x times tangent squared. We can rewrite it as secant squared of x minus 1 and the values of the x. Now, this actually causes a minor inconvenience, and that is the way that we're expressing the integral. Because now you technically have x secant of squared of x, technically minus the values of x dx. And for this particular one, it's probably just best to separate it and treat it as a total of two separate integrals. So let me just rewrite it. So in this case, we're going to be looking at the integral of x secant squared of x dx minus the integral of x dx. And we're just going to be adding a single constant for the final constant of integration. So I'm going to be using this portion for the u and the dv. So you could just let, and let me use a different color. So let u equal to x, the dv is equal to the secant squared of x. So that means that the u is equal to dx and v is equal to a tangent of x. So this is what I was talking about at the beginning, that the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So we didn't have it in the proper format. From here, we can actually rewrite it. And this particular one is actually going to give us, and let me rewrite the formula. This will be a u uv minus the integral of v du. So we're talking about, in this case, your u would be x tangent of x minus the integral. And hold on, I have an error somewhere. Give me just a second. So uv okay, v du. So this would be tangent x dx. Okay, no problems. So we do have an x tangent x. And we're gonna have to still evaluate this integral. And then don't forget about the actual integral of technically x dx, which happens to be from here. And let me rewrite this one. So we're gonna actually end up with, in this case, we're gonna end up with an x tangent of x minus the integral of tangent actually has a ln. So it's gonna have a minus ln cosine of x minus, I'm just going to write it as a plus minus an x squared over 2 plus c. So technically, this is going to simplify. So we can rewrite it as x tangent of x plus the ln of the cosine of x minus x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, so that's our final answer for this one.